In 1963, in the quiet town of Derinkuyu in central Turkey, a man was renovating his home. While knocking down a wall in his basement, he stumbled upon a mysterious room he had never seen before. Curiosity quickly turned to shock. Behind that room lay another, and then a narrow stone passage. As he stepped deeper into the pitch-black corridor, he realized he wasn't just looking at a cellar. He had just uncovered the entrance to a massive, forgotten subterranean world. This is Derinkuyu, an 18-story underground metropolis carved directly into solid volcanic ash, capable of housing 20,000 people, their livestock, and food supplies for months. Who built this impossible underground complex? How did they carve tons of rock without modern engineering? And what horrifying threat forced an entire population to move beneath the earth? To understand Derinkuyu, you have to realize that this wasn't just a temporary hideout or a collection of primitive caves. It was a fully functioning, highly organized city, stretching down to a depth of nearly 85 meters, the equivalent of a modern 25-story building underground. Derinkuyu features complex networks of living quarters, kitchens, stables, wine and oil presses, storage rooms, refectories, and even a large vaulted chapel on the 5th level. The rock here is soft volcanic tuff, formed by ancient eruptions millions of years ago. While this soft rock made carving easier, it also created an incredible structural risk. One wrong pillar, one calculation error, and millions of tons of earth would collapse, burying everyone alive. Yet, the ancient architects achieved structural stability so perfect that even thousands of years later, not a single main support beam or cavern has collapsed. Building rooms underground is one thing. Keeping thousands of people breathing and alive in total darkness is another challenge entirely. How do you bring oxygen to the 18th floor underground? The engineering solution was brilliant. The builders engineered a central vertical ventilation shaft that drops over 55 meters straight down. This primary shaft acted as the city's lungs, pulling fresh air from the surface and distributing oxygen through more than 15,000 smaller air ducts throughout every corner of the city. Water supply was another stroke of genius and paranoia. The lower levels had access to underground wells. Crucially, these wells were not